One.
Hey, I'm Lori.
And I'm Rick.
And we are Here We Go Again Camping. Guys, thanks for joining us on this episode as we're looking at a new product from Haloview. It's the Byte Tango system BT7 solar powered.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about checking it out. The solar power has me intrigued, and I can't wait to dive into it to see how it works and how to hook it up. But thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can get our upcoming videos as we release them. But stay tuned. I'm tagging Lori out and I'm getting my son in and putting him to work, and that's always fun.
Very smart to tag me out of an electronic technology thing.
One.
We want to send a big shout out to Haloview for always being there to support us with our channel and sending us products to review.
Yeah, thank you, Erica. We really appreciate you thinking of us, and keep us in mind for anything future as well, because we're always here to try out new products.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Check out the description of this video. There will be a link where you can go purchase this backup camera. And Haloview has been kind enough to give us a code for checkout to save 5% off. It's Here We Go Again Camping. That'll also be in the link of this description. But this is just us backing up. I wanted to start out with some real footage so you don't have to wait till the end of this video. But this is just us backing up. You can see that the monitor and camera are both 1080p. Fantastic quality. This is our third backup camera from Haloview, and in my opinion, they've saved the best for last. And I really enjoyed the rear view mirror monitor that they had. It helped us in driving. To go from not having any camera to that was just night and day difference. But as you can see, we've got view of 3 different lanes of traffic here, and just fantastic quality. I mean, I don't know everything about backup cameras, but I know what's going to be helpful for us on our adventures, and this product's going to be by far very helpful.
So let's dive in here and see what we got with this solar system. So I'm pretty excited with this one with the monitor instead of having it on the backup rear view mirror. So we got instructions, of course, which is always great.
We got 3 antennas. I guess 1 for the camera and 2 for the screen. See how they're different sizes. This one's for the camera.
Yep. So,
and
cool.
We got the screen here. I'm not going to take it out because I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. We got the suction cup for the screen so that it will go on our dash.
Cool.
We got cleaning stuff and I guess extra sticky stuff for the camera and stuff.
Okay. So I believe the solar. Oh, there it is.
There's the solar camera. Yeah.
So this one is. I was checking out the box and it says that basically it's supposed to be an easier installation, right?
Yeah.
So, and with that, there's no wiring, so not having to go in and wire into the lights, right?
Yeah,
the lights in the camera and stuff. So off the bat, I'll just tell you, looking at it, I'm pretty interested. The solar, it's not as big as what I was picturing it.
No.
But the camera looks really good here. So I've noticed like the power.
Yeah, it's got power, and then it's also got a battery percentage on it. It's 0 to 100.
So I'm guessing whenever we go, we're going to have to jump up, or you're going to have to jump up
and turn it on.
And turn it on the ladder. But yeah, it looks like this looks like a simple installation. I'm pretty excited about that because it's hot.
Yes.
And simple and heat go together. So all right, let's jump in the back and see what we got.
Yep. I guess it's just a bunch of cords back here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's all the cords back there.
Guessing that's for the monitor, right? You got your typical cigarette lighter and stuff.
This is an extender for the solar panel in case you don't have enough cable. And of course the solar panel already has one. And then here's the cigarette outlet for the screen, I guess.
Yeah, the monitor.
And then So to install the stand, I guess, for the monitor, all you got to do is take this and unscrew it, and then this gray part can just slide right in to the back of the camera. Ooh, if I can get it. There we go. And then you just tighten it back.
Pretty simple, right?
It's very simple. I just tighten it, and then you're good to go. And
so
it's
how
all
to adjust?
tightened. And to adjust, like whenever we got it, the camera or the stand was like over here. So all you have to do is just loosen this knob right here, and you can just turn it to where you want it, and then just tighten it back, and then boom, there you go.
So different angles for the driver to look at. You can put it on your, and I gotta tell you, this monitor looks really good. I'm pretty excited to see what the camera resolution and how it looks. So we'll get it going. And
all right, guys. So ours came with two different ones. This one in my left hand is for the cup holder, but we're gonna be using it for up here because this one, since it's a suction cup and the surface up here is not smooth, it won't stick. So this one is the one we're going to be using. It has 3M tape on the bottom, so it'll just stick down right where we want it and hopefully won't move.
Yeah, I think it'll work good.
Yeah, see, it's not coming up.
Yeah, great.
And then okay, so the cup holder one, the one we have down, is almost identical. So it's like, so you move this knob for rotating, moving this wherever you want. And then you got the other knob here, and you can just push it down so you can get the screen out of your way, move it back, and it's just interesting. And I don't know what this one's for. I guess it's to remove probably the 3M tape or something.
Probably, yeah. Probably
so like you can just push it or pull it up. That's about it.
Pretty simple.
Yep.
All right, so I just found something out and going through all the material here that made me love this setup, because I was kind of wondering about this, but we found that there is a power adapter here, right? Just a 110, and this is magnet, right? So you can take the camera down and go ahead and hook that up.
So we figured out that this is an adapter that plugs into the camera, but it will also plug into this one. So we can actually plug the camera into an outlet at our house, and we can charge the camera without actually using solar power.
Yeah, because and what we did was we go ahead and turn the camera on, and like I said, we just got this straight out of the box,
and it's already charged.
Yeah, it had like half a charge, so you could see that the camera's on, right? I mean, it's actually got more of a charge, right? And it tells you here.
Yeah, it's the charge that it has.
We actually have our monitor on as well, so you can see.
Yeah, we get our monitor.
The monitor's on, so we're just messing with it before we go outside because it's really hot. So I like that. Good job, Haloview. That's a good feature.
Yes, good job.
All right, so we're getting ready to put the solar on top. We cleaned it with some Eternabond that we have here, right? So the Haloview's put in some
adhesive promoters.
Yeah, adhesive promoter. So we're going to go ahead and take it on the top, and it's supposed to dry real quick, so can't be too safe. And I have to say this. So this is all magnets, right? So we got some 3M tape here.
Yep.
And then this is magnet, and I was a little concerned with how well the solar
So stay on.
is going to stay on while we're driving down the interstate, but we've tested it out, and what do you think, buddy? It's going to stay, ain't it?
It definitely stays.
It stays on there really well. So
the only way that it'll come off is if like a big log falls from a tree or something.
So, and also this is solar as well. I mean, solar.
Magnetic.
Magnetic as well. So you can see it's 3M on the back, and I kind of like this. So
Sticks on.
I mean, sticks on pretty well, and I like it because if I want to, I can
take it off and charge it. Clean it.
Take it off, charge it. I don't have my camera or my solar pack exposed to the elements when it doesn't really have to over the winter.
Exactly.
Right.
All right.
That's
That's the middle, so like here-ish.
Yeah, let's go with that. Push on it. And it looks like there's holes in there. If you want, you can
drill it.
Drill in. We're going to try this.
See if it stays.
Just go ahead if you want to. There you go. Good way. Good job.
Okay, so this does have the solar panel does have an angle to it, as you can see.
Yeah.
So we're putting it this way, so that the higher side's on the back, so the wind will go over top of it instead of getting caught underneath it.
So why don't you do me a favor before we go? It said press on it real hard. Why don't you put this on there and stand on it or something, put some more weight on it.
I got you.
And just, let's just make sure it's sealed on there real well.
Hopefully
You
not
know,
fall.
nah, you're good. So we're just gonna put a little bit of extra weight, try to be as safe as we can. So we've actually cleaned the back where we're gonna put the camera, and as you can tell, I've got my other Haloview camera there. So I'm leaving it on. I'm not going to remove anything.
Yeah,
So
we're gonna have two, one for the Jeep, so you can see the connections, and then one for behind.
yeah. So go ahead and throw that solar on there, and let's see if you can hear this. Yeah.
That is-
All right, so we're cleaning up here, ready for our camera.
Okay, there we go. Apply pressure.
All right, so we got it up, and there's our solar pack. So I just need to tidy up these wires, and it's really neat. Easy to take down, easy to put up. Like the magnet, is very simple installation. So far, much better as far as easier to install than the previous Haloview cameras. All
Well,
right,
we might.
so there's our view of our driveway. It looks pretty good. I mean,
Does it?
I gotta tell you, the camera resolution on this
It's 10 times better than the old one.
monitor is 10 times better than what we were getting with the
Just the mirror.
yeah, the one that goes over the mirror here. So so far, I mean, it simply paired. It paired very easily. So what we're going to do is try to mess around with it and see if we can't figure out and see what all it has, right?
Yep. Okay, so we've been messing around with the camera. We've been going into settings and stuff, and we were wondering what these CH2 123s do. So we just clicked on H1 and figured out, oh, none of them have signal. 1, 2, and 3 both all do not have signal, but 4 is the one we just hooked up. And we were like, what does Q mode mean? So we clicked Q mode, and it's like you can have multiple different cameras all on this one, and then if you click it, it will automatically put it up.
Go to whatever camera you click.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure.
That's pretty neat. So if you've got multiple Haloview cameras, like your side,
Your two sides and dash cam, you can all hook them up there.
yeah, and we could probably hook up our rear view, our other rear view, but what's the point? It's going to be the same view, right? But I think that's a super,
It's really well made.
yeah, it's a good product to have, to where you could have all your cameras and just have it on one monitor, one view.
Yeah, you can also change like the split. So right now we're on quad 4 or quad 1, but you can change it to split 3/4 or 3 and 4. I guess what that means is now if I go back to Q mode, now it's just showing 2.
Yeah, it's just showing. Hi campers, thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate all the support.
And guys, if you want to check out some other videos of ours, click up here. And if you want to become a subscriber, which I hope you will, click down here.
Yeah, also you can check out our apparel shop by clicking over here. But until next time.
Safe travels and God bless.